As active members of the welding community, we always want to make metalworking even more accessible for everybody. So, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you the YesWelder FIRSTESS MP200. We won't go nuts by stating it's the best, but it's definitely one of the most versatile 5-in-1 welders and plasma cutters for DIY home projects. Not every day would go by with a product announcement like this. The MP200 is a very compact and portable 5-in-1 welder and plasma cutter. It is a small yet powerful MIG, TIG, flux core, MMA, and plasma cutting beast in a package that you can take with you anywhere, anytime. This is Darren. He's an avid car lover. Now he's pretending not to see me so he can focus on his acting. He's loading MIG wire. Let's check him out. Just like in any other mode, after loading the wire and connecting the gas, you just need to input the appropriate material thickness and the gas type. Then the machine will intelligently adjust the recommended current and voltage settings accordingly. The stable power output ensures a smooth welding experience. Alright, let's go check out some other folks. In MMA mode, the MP200 is compatible with quite a few types of electrodes. And yes, it is compatible with the Cellulose 6010 electrode as well. You just choose the right electrode and diameter and just dive right in. For more refined welding, you may want to use the lift TIG mode. Well, what more can I say? Connect this bad boy with the right cables and gas, and you are good to go. Just like in any other mode, after loading the wire and connecting the gas, you just need to input the appropriate material thickness and the gas type. The MP200 is not limited to stationary use. It weighs only 25 pounds. You can tackle almost any smaller jobs on site easily. Not all the welders are this agile. With the flex core mode built in, you are not bound to welding with gas tanks attached. You may use the flex core mode to operate at anywhere instantaneously. And it is even splash resistant for those wet environments. The MP200 is more than a welder. It is also a plasma cutter. After connecting the guns and compressed air, you may set up the pre and post flow duration and 2-touch 4-touch and manually input the corresponding current and voltage. It is powerful enough to handle up to 12.7 millimeters or half-inch steel. But power is not everything. Its strong plasma cutter also excels in precision. It is powerful yet incredibly small for what it does. It is a beast that walks in elegant steps.
And it is a tiger that sniffs roses. And that is written by Siegfried Sassoon, I suppose?
YesWelder is cool inside and out. Not only does it look cool, it actually works cool. While running quietly, the dual fan design keeps the core unit cool. This extends the operation time and overall longevity of the unit. We are in the final phase of the product design. In the past 7 months, there have been countless challenges and obstacles, but we managed to conquer them one after another, and finally be able to present this to you with confidence and pride. We hope our YesWelder FIRSTESS MP200 is not just another tool in your shed and workshop, but also a great companion for everyone who is in or about to start the journey of metalworks, to carry on and share our love and joy for this century-old craftsmanship. In 2006, we started our welding journey as an OEM manufacturer to some top brands in the industry. 12 years of OEM experience has given us a special edge on creating solid products at reasonable cost. In 2018, we finally sailed out on our own journey and established the welding equipment brand YesWelder. After almost 2 decades, welding for us is not just a business anymore, it is also our passion. We hope that more people can find their interest in welding, get their hands dirty, and become familiar with the sight and sound of welders at work. It might look daunting at first, but you will be amazed by the power of electricity, the beauty of sparks, and even experience the tranquility of your mind during the process. We hope to bring the joy of this craft to more people. Enjoy welding with YesWelder. Thank you for supporting us, fellas.